Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by creating a log analytics workspace in your subscription and resource group. Choose a clear name and select the correct region for data residency. Pick a pricing tier that matches your daily data volume needs. The default data retention is 31 days, and you can increase it later if needed. After creation, configure workspace permissions for your team and enable workspace-level features like usage and estimated costs. Finally, link the workspace to other Azure services to begin ingesting logs. Install the Log Analytics agent on Windows and Linux hosts to collect system and application logs. For Azure resources, enable diagnostic settings and point them to your workspace for centralized ingestion. Use data collection rules to define which performance counters and custom logs you want to gather. Configure collection frequency and batching so agents send data efficiently and reduce cost. Test ingestion by generating a log and verifying it appears in the workspace within a few minutes. Open Log Analytics and write queries using Kusto query language to analyze your logs. Choose a time range such as 24 hours or 7 days to scope query results efficiently. Save useful queries and pin their results to dashboards or build interactive workbooks for stakeholders. Create alert rules from queries to trigger actions when thresholds are exceeded. Export archived logs to storage for long-term retention, and control cost by adjusting retention, sampling, and selective data collection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.